Python Advanced Online and Classroom Training. Learn and improve your skills and knowledge. Introduction to Python Advanced. Advanced Python refers to the concepts and techniques in Python that are beyond the basics. These concepts are typically used by experienced Python programmers to write more efficient, reusable, and maintainable code. Some of the key advanced Python concepts include Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. OOP is a programming paradigm that structures code into objects. Objects have properties and methods that allow them to interact with each other. OOP is a powerful way to write code that is modular and easy to understand. Functional Programming. Functional programming is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of functions. Functions are blocks of code that perform a specific task. Functional programming is often used in conjunction with OOP to create more concise and elegant code. Regular expressions. Regular expressions are a powerful tool for pattern matching. They can be used to search for and extract text from strings. Regular expressions are often used in text processing and data analysis applications. Concurrency and parallelism. Concurrency and parallelism are two techniques for running multiple tasks at the same time. Concurrency allows multiple tasks to run in an overlapping fashion, while parallelism allows multiple tasks to run simultaneously. These techniques are often used to improve the performance of Python programs. Web development. Python is a popular language for web development. It can be used to create both server-side and client-side applications. Python web frameworks such as Django and Flask make it easy to develop complex web applications. Data science. Python is a popular language for data science. It can be used to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data. Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn make it easy to do data science tasks. These are just a few of the advanced Python concepts. There are many other advanced concepts that you can learn about. As you become more experienced with Python, you will be able to learn and apply these concepts to your own code. This program uses the following advanced Python concepts. Recursive functions. A recursive function is a function that calls itself. The factorial function is a recursive function because it calls itself to calculate the factorial of a smaller number. Generators. A generator is a function that yields a sequence of values. The Fibonacci function is a generator because it yields the Fibonacci numbers one at a time. List comprehension. List comprehension is a concise way to create a list. The factorial and Fibonacci functions use list comprehension to create lists of the factorials and Fibonacci numbers, respectively. This is just a simple example of an advanced Python program. There are many other ways to use advanced Python concepts to write more powerful and efficient code. Benefits of Python Advanced Online Training. Here are some of the benefits of learning advanced Python. Increased productivity. Advanced Python skills can help you write more efficient and concise code, which can save you time and effort. Improved problem-solving skills. Advanced Python concepts can help you develop better problem-solving skills, which can be applied to other areas of your life. Greater job opportunities. Advanced Python skills can make you more marketable to employers, especially in fields like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Higher salary. According to a survey by Coursera, the average salary for data scientists with Python skills is $97,663. Access to a large community. There is a large and active community of Python developers who are always willing to help and share knowledge. Fun and challenging. Learning advanced Python can be a lot of fun and challenging, which can help you stay motivated and engaged in your learning. If you are interested in advancing your Python skills, there are many resources available to you. You can take online courses, read books, or find a mentor who can help you learn. Here are some specific topics that you might want to learn about in advanced Python. Object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms, functional programming, machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, web development, game development, understanding Python Advanced. Object-oriented programming, OOP. This is a programming paradigm that treats data and the functions that operate on that data as objects. OOP is a powerful way to write code that is modular, reusable, and maintainable. Functional programming. This is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of functions to solve problems. Functional programming is often used in conjunction with OOP to create code that is concise, elegant, and easy to understand. Concurrency and parallelism. These are techniques for running multiple tasks at the same time. Concurrency is the ability to run multiple tasks without blocking each other, while parallelism is the ability to run multiple tasks on multiple cores or processors at the same time. Data structures and algorithms. These are the fundamental building blocks of computer science. Data structures store and organize data, while algorithms are used to process data. Testing. This is the process of verifying that a program works as expected. Testing is essential for ensuring the quality of software. Profiling. This is the process of measuring the performance of a program. Profiling can be used to identify bottlenecks and areas where the program can be improved. Deployment. This is the process of making a program available to users. Deployment can be a complex process involving packaging, installation, and configuration. The following are some advanced Python functions. Generators. Generators are functions that yield a sequence of values instead of returning a single value. Generators are often used to create iterators. Context managers. Context managers are objects that are used to manage the resources associated with a block of code. Context managers are often used with files and databases. Decorators. Decorators are functions that modify the behavior of other functions. Decorators are often used to add functionality to functions or to change the way they are called. The code you provided shows the Fibonacci sequence, which is a series of numbers. The following are some other advanced Python topics that you may be interested in learning about. Regular expressions. Regular expressions are used to match patterns in text. They are often used for tasks such as text parsing and data validation. Web development. Python is a popular language for web development. It can be used to create both static and dynamic websites. Machine learning. Python is a popular language for machine learning. It can be used to train and deploy machine learning models. Data science. Python is a popular language for data science. It can be used to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data. Key features of Python Advanced. Here are some key features of advanced Python. Generators. Generators are a way to create iterators, which are objects that can be iterated over one element at a time. Generators are often used to create more efficient code, as they do not need to create a whole list of elements in memory before they can be used. Collections module. The collections module provides a number of useful data structures, such as dictionaries, lists, and sets. These data structures can be used to store and manipulate data in more efficient ways. ITTools module. The ITTools module provides a number of functions for working with iterators, such as map, filter, and reduce. These functions can be used to write more concise and efficient code. FuncTools module. The FuncTools module provides a number of functions for working with functions, such as partial, wraps, and _cache. These functions can be used to write more powerful and reusable functions. Decorators. Decorators are a way to modify the behavior of functions. They can be used to add functionality, to track the execution of a function, or to change the way a function is called. Context managers. Context managers are a way to manage the resources used by a block of code. They can be used to open and close files, to acquire and release locks, and to manage other resources. Here are some additional advanced Python topics. Metaprogramming. Metaprogramming is the ability to write code that can generate other code. This can be used to automate tasks, to create more complex programs, and to explore the possibilities of the Python language. Concurrency and parallelism. Concurrency and parallelism are the ability to run multiple tasks at the same time. This can be used to improve the performance of programs that need to process large amounts of data or that need to respond to multiple requests at the same time. Data science. Data science is a field of study that deals with the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. Python is a popular language for data science, as it has a number of libraries and tools that can be used to manipulate and analyze data. Machine learning. Machine learning is a field of computer science that deals with the development of algorithms that can learn from data. Python is a popular language for machine learning, as it has a number of libraries and tools that can be used to build and train machine learning models. Customer segmentation of Python Advanced. Customer segmentation is the process of dividing customers into groups based on their shared characteristics. This can be done based on demographics, behaviors, psychographics, or other factors. Customer segmentation is a powerful tool that businesses can use to improve their marketing, sales, and customer service. In Python, there are a number of libraries and tools that can be used for customer segmentation. Some of the most popular libraries include scikit-learn. This library provides a number of clustering algorithms that can be used for customer segmentation. Pandas. This library provides data manipulation tools that can be used to prepare customer data for segmentation. NumPy. This library provides numerical computation tools that can be used to analyze customer data. Here are some of the most common customer segmentation models. Demographic segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their demographics, such as age, gender, income, education, and marital status. Behavioral segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their behavior, such as purchase history, website browsing behavior, and social media activity. Psychographic segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their psychographic characteristics, such as personality, lifestyle, and values. Value-based segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their perceived value to the business, such as their lifetime value or customer satisfaction score. Geographic segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their location, such as country, state, or city. Technographic segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their technology usage, such as the devices they use, the apps they download, and the websites they visit. Needs-based segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their needs, such as their product or service requirements, their budget, and their pain points. Firmographic segmentation. This type of segmentation divides customers based on their business characteristics, such as the industry they are in, the size of their company, and their annual revenue. Data analytics. Advanced data analytics with Python is the use of Python programming language to perform complex data analysis tasks. This includes tasks such as data cleaning and preparation, data visualization, statistical analysis, machine learning, deep learning. Python is a popular choice for advanced data analytics because it is a powerful and versatile language that is easy to learn and use. It also has a wide range of libraries and tools that are specifically designed for data analysis. Here are some of the benefits of using Python for advanced data analytics. Python is a general-purpose language, which means that it can be used for a variety of tasks, not just data analysis. This makes it a flexible and scalable language for data scientists. Python is open source and free to use, which makes it a cost-effective option for data analytics. Python has a large and active community of users and developers, which means that there is a wealth of resources available for learning and using the language. Python is constantly evolving and improving, which means that data scientists can be confident that the language will be able to meet their needs in the future. Here are some specific topics that you can learn about in advanced data analytics with Python. Data wrangling. This is the process of cleaning and preparing data for analysis. This can involve removing errors, transforming data types, and merging data sets. Data visualization. This is the process of creating charts, graphs, and other visual representations of data. This can help you to understand the data and identify patterns. Statistical analysis. This is the process of using statistical methods to analyze data. This can help you to test hypotheses, make predictions, and draw conclusions. Machine learning. This is the process of using computers to learn from data. This can be used to develop models that can make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning. This is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. This can be used to develop models that can solve complex problems. Topics covered in Python Advanced. Here are some of the topics covered in Advanced Python. Object-oriented programming, OOP. This is a programming paradigm that treats data and the functions that operate on that data as a unit. OOP is a fundamental concept in Python and is used in many of its built-in modules. Functional programming. This is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of functions and avoids the use of mutable state and side effects. Functional programming is becoming increasingly popular in Python, and there are many libraries available that support it. Data structures and algorithms. These are the fundamental building blocks of computer programs. Data structures store and organize data, while algorithms are used to manipulate data. A good understanding of data structures and algorithms is essential for any Python programmer who wants to write efficient and scalable programs. Machine learning. This is a field of computer science that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field, and Python is a popular language for machine learning applications. Natural language processing, NLP. This is a field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural languages. NLP is used in a wide variety of applications, such as machine translation, text analysis, and chatbots. Data visualization. This is the process of transforming data into graphical representations. Data visualization is used to communicate data more effectively and to gain insights into the data. In addition to these topics, advanced Python also covers topics such as regular expressions. These are a powerful tool for pattern matching and text manipulation. Decorators. These are a way to modify the behavior of functions and classes. Concurrency and parallelism. These are techniques for running multiple tasks at the same time. Testing. This is the process of ensuring that a program works correctly. Documentation. This is the process of writing clear and concise documentation for a program. These are just a few of the topics covered in advanced Python. The specific topics that you will need to learn will depend on your specific interests and goals. Architecture and components of Python Advance. The architecture of Python Advance is object-oriented. This means that everything in Python is an object, including numbers, strings, lists, and functions. Objects have properties and methods. Properties are data associated with an object, while methods are actions that can be performed on an object. The components of Python Advance are objects, the basic unit of data in Python Advance. Objects have properties and methods. Classes, a blueprint for creating objects. A class defines the properties and methods of an object. Methods, functions that are associated with an object. Methods are used to perform actions on an object. Modules, a collection of related functions and classes. Modules are used to organize code and make it reusable. Packages, a collection of modules. Packages are used to organize code and make it easier to find and use. Future trends in Python Advance. Data science and machine learning. Python is already a popular language for data science and machine learning, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. As more and more businesses adopt these technologies, the demand for Python developers will also increase. Web and mobile application development. Python is also a popular language for web and mobile application development. This is due to its ease of use, readability, and large library of frameworks and libraries. Cloud computing. Python is a good choice for cloud computing applications because it is scalable, portable, and reliable. Natural language processing. Python is also being used for natural language processing, NLP, applications. NLP is a field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural, languages. Blockchain. Python is being used for blockchain development. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that can be used to record transactions securely and transparently. Cybersecurity. Python is also being used for cybersecurity applications. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Here are some specific examples of how Python is being used in these trends. In data science, Python is used to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data. It is also used to build machine learning models and algorithms. In web and mobile application development, Python is used to create backend APIs, web frameworks, and mobile applications. In cloud computing, Python is used to build and manage cloud-based applications and services. In natural language processing, Python is used to build applications that can understand and respond to human language. In blockchain, Python is used to develop blockchain-based applications and platforms. In cybersecurity, Python is used to develop security tools and applications. PyCon US is the largest annual gathering for Pythonistas in the United States. It is a conference for Python developers of all levels, with talks on topics such as data science, machine learning, web development, and software engineering. EuroPython is the largest annual Python conference in Europe. It is a similar event to PyCon US, with talks on a variety of Python topics. PyCon Africa is a conference for Python developers in Africa. It is a great opportunity for African Pythonistas to learn from and network with other Python developers from the continent. PyCon Asia is a conference for Python developers in Asia. It is a similar event to PyCon Africa, with talks on a variety of Python topics. Industry recognition. Career opportunities in Python Advance. Software engineer. Software engineers are responsible for designing, developing, and testing software applications. Python is a popular language for software engineering because it is versatile, powerful, and easy to learn. Software engineers with Python skills can find jobs in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and technology. Data scientist. Data scientists use Python to collect, clean, analyze, and interpret data. They use this data to make predictions, identify trends, and solve problems. Data scientists with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. Data analyst. Data analysts use Python to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data. They use this data to help businesses make better decisions. Data analysts with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers use Python to develop and deploy machine learning models. Machine learning models are used to automate tasks, make predictions, and identify patterns. Machine learning engineers with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers use Python to automate tasks, deploy code, and manage infrastructure. They use this automation to help businesses deliver software more quickly and efficiently. DevOps engineers with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including technology and healthcare. Full stack developer. Full stack developers are responsible for developing the entire stack of an application, from the front end to the back end. Python is a popular language for full stack development because it is versatile and can be used for both front end and back end development. Full stack developers with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including technology and healthcare. Data visualization specialist. Data visualization specialists use Python to create interactive data visualizations. These visualizations help businesses to communicate data in a clear and concise way. Data visualization specialists with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. Robotics engineer. Robotics engineers use Python to develop and program robots. Python is a popular language for robotics because it is easy to learn and use. Robotics engineers with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Cybersecurity engineer. Cybersecurity engineers use Python to develop and deploy security tools and solutions. Python is a popular language for cybersecurity because it is versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks, such as data analysis, network security, and vulnerability assessment. Cybersecurity engineers with Python skills are in high demand in a variety of industries, including technology, healthcare, and finance. Why choose Proexcellency for Python Advanced Online Training? Experienced and certified instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all experienced and certified Python developers. They have a deep understanding of the language and can help you learn the latest concepts and techniques. Comprehensive curriculum. Proexcellency's Python Advanced Training course covers all the essential topics, including object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms, machine learning, data science, web development, geo development, game development, flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers both online and classroom training options. You can choose the option that best suits your learning style and schedule. Interactive learning environment. Proexcellency's training courses are interactive and engaging. You will have the opportunity to participate in exercises, quizzes, and projects to solidify your learning. Job placement assistance. Proexcellency offers job placement assistance to its graduates. They have a network of hiring partners who are looking for Python developers. Here are some additional details about the Python Advanced Training course offered by Proexcellency. The course is 40 hours long and is delivered over 5 weeks. The course is taught by experienced and certified Python developers. The course covers all the essential topics of Python Advanced, including object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms, machine learning, data science, web development, GUI development, and game development. The course is interactive and engaging, with exercises, quizzes, and projects to solidify your learning. Upon completion of the course, you will receive a certificate of completion from Proexcellency. The cost of the Python Advanced Training course varies depending on the learning option you choose. The online course costs 12,000 rupees and the classroom course costs 15,000 rupees. Contact us. www.proexcellency.com 708-791-137 08031508687 info@proexcellency.com Rahul@proexcellency.com